for in this game in EuroCup? What's the expectation?
We got, we're on a pretty little bad streak right now, so we just got to bring energy and try to get this win on the road in EuroCup and try to keep our chances alive to go to the next round. And I think right now we're going to be motivated, and we had a couple of days to prepare, so we play a lot of games, so we just got to bring energy. I think when we bring energy, we're capable of beating anybody.
What was energy lacking in the last couple of games?
I don't know. I think everybody, puts the effort forth. Instead of either, there's nothing to say. They just beat us. They were a better team than us that day. And I think we have, we're trying to put the energy forth, and missing our couple of guys, Maki and Zack. That's a big miss for us. We really need those guys to come back, to beat the other teams. But I don't know. I think we're going to get back on track. We just need that one win to get that confidence back and get rolling again.
You're one of the most experienced players on the teams. Do the other players seek advice?
Yeah, I always try to give the young guys advice.
Especially now.
Yeah, especially now. This is my 9th season. I've been through ups and downs during the season. I just tell these guys, you just got to stay focused. It happens on every team. We just got to keep our head up, and you just got to keep working. You can't, and main thing, individually for every player, you must keep your confidence no matter what, because when you go through rough patches like this, you can get down on yourself. And the most important thing is just to stay confident. That's what I tell the young guys, just to keep working hard and get over the hump.
What will be the most important things tomorrow that you have to do in order to win?
Transition for them. They're a very athletic, fast team, and they from watching video, coach said they really score a lot. They don't really run too many plays. They kind of got this NBA style, just up and down. So we gotta control the rhythm and try to prevent them from getting so many easy transition baskets. I think that's going to be the most important thing, and offensive rebounds, because I think the first game they had a lot, especially in the first half.
Are you satisfied with your playing because you're one of the MVP?
I just think I have to be more consistent. I can't, just play good in EuroCup. I need to play good in the ABA League, but in EuroCup, I need to try to continue to, to try to do everything that I can to help the team, and especially me being the most experienced guy, like the older guy. So, it's a lot, but it's got to be done. So I just gotta, like I said, stay confident and just play the game. All right.